Okay, 3, 4, 5, you're getting 6.
I don't think that old man can be correct too. Because I gave him the 5. What? I don't have an extra ball. Yeah, I should have let him speak. I would have already left.
I've never even opened it.
He's like,
Coach, also Jennifer's wife, and she's riding too. Right. Now then, Grace, you go show these old boys how to do this tractor pulling thing. There she goes. Alright, Grace, go ahead. Show them how to do it, girl. Grace, you don't expect the standard for the rest of these pullers here. I see the first puller in this class. So whatever she is, as far as distance wise, the rest of the pullers going to find out too. So far, you We got a pull of 136 feet, 7 inches. Y'all give it up for her, folks. That's a good pull for a little while. And there we got Gavin Dayton, or excuse me, Gavin Odom coming on another Alice channel.
that's not where you're even. Yeah. Yeah, that's really
ready. He's got the green flag. He's got his coach over here coaching him along. Now this right here is the future of the tractor puller. This old tractor's been around for a long time. Looky here, this young man goes. Look at that. He's got a full of 150 feet, 7 inches. We'll put him in the first place. Give it up for him, folks. Alright, Mr. Bennett, go ahead and let that thing go, bud. You're going to get out there about 150 feet. Looky here, folks. We got a pool of 158 inches to 150 feet, 158 feet to. Let me get my foot out of my mouth here. That is good enough for first place. That ain't your winner. He's your 3,500-pound antique class. Y'all give him a big hand, folks. We're going to have 3,500-pound open class. That's going to be first puller in the 3,500-pound open class. So he'll be setting the bar for the rest of the pool. Levi had a pull of 166 feet, 2 inches. That's a good pull. Give him a hand, folks. Alright, Lamar's going to be our first puller on this little Oliver.
And I'm like, he's like, yeah.
Hey, one thing about this little Oliver, it ain't gonna get those speeding tickets, that's for sure. Tractor was made to be going fast. These old tractors are reusable tractors. They can still use this tractor today out on the farm. Lamar got a pull. He's still pulling. He's still moving. 142 feet, 3 inches. Y'all give it up for it, folks. That's a good pull out of that little tractor. She's only the second puller in this antique class. There again, we'd like to thank Dave Chrysler to sponsor this class for us. Grayson's got a full of 160 feet, which is good enough for first place. And we got a young lady in the lead. Give it up, guys. Wesley's riding on a 1947 Minneapolis Moline. These Molines are something you didn't really see back in these parks back in the older days. There's a few of them around. They just weren't as popular in the South as they were up north. Alright, Wesley's getting on out there now. He's going to try to beat 172 feet. Looking at 171 feet, 6 inches. 1 foot apart. That's good enough for second place. Third place. You reach up there and get that double-A joystick now. These tractors, some of them got a torque amplifier. You can actually shift gears.
That's what the reason tractor did. You're going to see the big one full of it for.
Now looky here. This girl has just featured fellas so far with a full of 204 feet in 1 inch. Now there you go. She's showing them how to do it. Y'all give it up for that young lady. That is a very good pull. Mr. Sam Thornton, ladies and gentlemen.
Just don't get hurt, okay?
I believe it's basically stock, folks. What do you think? Alright, man. Sam's going to be out there around the 200 plus mark. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, 251 feet. Sam Akers informed me that he did win that class, and I did write it down wrong. My apologies, Mr. Akers. I misspoke. Yeah, Sam Akers did win the 4,000 pound class. My bad, for sure. If it's the interest they are selling the raffle tickets, they'll be having a drawing later.
I'll get you
Okay, Lamar had a full of 152 feet, 4 inches. Y'all give it up for us, folks. He's going to be our first puller in the 4,500-pound antique class. Next up, I got Mike Curtis going to see you on a 1950 farm all.
She'll be like, good luck with that.
Second car.
You better catch it.
Alright, Mike. You want to get out there about 156 feet. Mike's going to be on riding this Super 8 farm all 1950 model. Good looking a little wide front end tractor. And you got Tim Mason coming up behind him on the Alice Challenge. Yeah, I got a full of 178 feet, 2 inches, good enough for first place right there. Keep my hand, folks, that's real good for a farm off. We got Tim coming back on this Alice camera. Now you better look out, you got a long way to go.
I don't know what this one is.
We had a full of 176 feet, 8 inches. Good enough for third place. First place is going to go to Mr. Tim Mason on the Alice camera. Second place going to Mike Curtis on the Farmall Super 8.
Yeah, well, she does too.
Alice had a real good pull her first time out early. Let's see how she's going to do now. Change the weight on these tractors, it sure does change a lot. You got Mr. Sam Thornton coming up behind her now. He's really good at this stuff. Alice got a pull of 209 feet, 6 inches. Give the young lady a hand, guys. That's a good pull. All right, Sam's going to be our last puller in the open class. Alice has got out there 209 feet, 6 inches. That's what Sam's going to be shooting for. He just wants 2 feet. Sam's got a pull of 228 feet, 6 inches. Good enough for first place. Second place.
Yeah.
Slide to one side, yeah, so the boys can sit in there.
Mike's got a pull of 157 feet, 5 in 1947 farm hall. He's going to be going up against a 1958 farm hall. Then we got Tim coming on that Alice camera. He's got to be the odd man out on this. 81.94.
Done? I'm going to have to run through a mile away. Don't trip it on you.
Bruce has got a pull of 180 feet, 1 inch. Check this out. Alex had a pull of 201 feet 3. Heather has got a pull of 201 feet 4 inches. Beat her by 1 inch. We did good enough for first place at the moment. Mother does know that. 225 feet 3 inches. First place going to Miss Heather Lander. Second place going to Miss Alex Lander. Now that's, give them a hand, folks. That's pretty neat.
Yeah.